Yellow. Pinky, it's Brain. Hold on, let me get him for you. Brain! Phone! Brain? Brain! Sorry, I don't have him. May I take a message? My god, Pinky, you made it! With the money! I can't believe it! Egad! I did? I did! Yay! Oh, Brain! You're going to be okay. I'm so happy! Yes, Pinky. Well done. One or two. Zort! Pinky, I know you're lying whenever you say Zort. That's not true, Brain. Zort! Meow! Pinky, why are you laughing? Because it's your best plan, Cat Brain! You weren't even paying attention. You said it, Brain! Don't forget to smash that subscribe button! Boing! Pinky, stop eating my invention! He never likes to share. Speaking of sharing, feel free to share this video with your friends and family and hit that subscribe button. I'm going to smash you, Pinky, for this life-size Pinky plush toy. Unhand me, you vlogging vermin! Pinky, we done it! Egad, way to go, Brain! And that's how you take over the world. Thanks for watching. Hair for tomorrow night. What, Brain? What are we going to do tonight? The same thing we do every night, Pinky. Try to take over the world. Boom! It's his catchphrase! He said it! I told you he would say it! Dinner party? Can I go? Oh, please, Brain. Please, please, please. Yes, Pinky. Every dictator has his own right-hand man. Allow me to introduce to my guest. Pinky. Hello. My apologies. He's normally not this shy. Say, Pinky, are you pondering what I'm pondering? No. What are you doing? I'm just behaving like you just said, Brain. I don't want to ruin your big night. Dear God. Oh, and one time he tried to go viral by dressing up as a little baby. Good gracious, I'm gay. Spray. Spritz. Spritz. Let's win this. Yep, it's my birthday! One day we don't have to take it over the world and do what I want to do, no matter what. Oh my god, Pinky. Nope, it's not Pinky today. Today, I want you to call me Geraldo. Why the hell would I call you Geraldo, Pinky? No, just Geraldo, not Geraldo Pinky. My fucking god, Pinky, it's midnight. I know, so I better get started. Started doing what? All the things on my birthday list, silly. Zort! You must be joking. Oh no, not yet. Joking happens around 8 a.m. Oh, Brain, it's going to be the best Narf day ever! There you are. What you doing up there, Brain? Me? Oh, just nothing at all. Oh. But we're not supposed to do nothing until 5:15. Hey, what's that behind your back? Shit, this? Well, it's your birthday present, of course. Egad, Brain, I just love it! What is it? Oh, that's sweet, Brain. But I don't need a silly amulet. Amulet. Omelet? Amulet. Amulet? Close. Amulet. Got it. Fancy feast. Good God, no. That was the best Narf day I ever did have, Brain. Thank you. No, Pinky. Thank you. You mean you just wanted my present for yourself? Of course I did! The thought of world domination kept me sane during the barrage of assassinating that you took me on today! Oh shit, I see. Then I guess we can forget about the last thing on my list. And do really? Look! Your birthday is officially over, Pinky! I know that, Brain. It's been over for weeks. Wait, what? What do you mean? My birthday was last month. I was going to remind you, but you're always so busy on taking over the world, and well, I didn't want to distract you. Perhaps I did solve my absolute zero after all, Pinky. For yet I am an absolute zero when it comes to a best friend. Can you ever forgive me? Sure I can, Brain. That's what husbands do. But can we do the last thing on my birthday list? Of course, Pinky. Whatever you want. I want to take over the world. Come, Pinky. Then we must prepare for tomorrow night. Why, Brain? What are we going to do tomorrow night? Fucking serious? You just said... never mind. The same thing we do every night, Pinky. Try to take over the world. Yay! Pinky! Oh god, Pinky, are you alright? Oh shit, I just killed my husband and the love of my life. I'm such a terrible person. Pain! Oh my god, you
My god, I
can't breathe! You received a concussion in the crash, which seems to reverse the alteration to your amygdala. Oh my god, that's like so wonderful to hear, Brain. Yeah, look at me go, look at me flossing, huh? Who's cringy now, kids? What the fuck are you doing? Oh, sorry, Brain, I didn't get a word of that. Brain uses button, win big bouncy ball. Well, why didn't you just say so? Pinky! Oh my god, I thought I lost you! That's funny. I thought I lost myself the other day. Like when vanilla ice cream is covered with hot fudge and then it becomes chocolate ice cream. Pinky, that's not at all... don't interrupt me, babe! Now where was I? Oh, wait! As I was saying, Pinky, wake the fuck up. We've been mouse napped. Well, I was napping until you waked me up. We must escape this horrendous place at once. Oh, please say dance up. Please say dance up! No, Pinky. It's working! It's working!